Welcome guys, welcome to this brand new PHP series, and in this series we are going to learn PHP from the starting point to advanced level. We are going to learn object-oriented programming as well once we have the understanding with the how PHP flows, how you can write a program in procedural PHP. Now so far I believe you already working with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you haven't worked with JavaScript, it's fine. It is completely a beginner guide, so we are going to start from the basics. Now, if you've been working with HTML and CSS, you need to do a bit of practice alongside the videos. I will be providing code for each video so that you can have the understanding and you can do the practice. About me, I'm a web developer. I've been working with PHP and PHP frameworks from years now. So I will try my best to help you out to understand this, that how PHP works and how you can understand it. Initially, you might feel at some point if you are not getting something, you can always ask questions in the comment section and I will reply. And also we can do discussions about how things we can take it further. PHP is a backend language. So basically, when you create HTML files, you add images, you create forms. For example, we have here a Bootstrap website, so we can use Bootstrap within our HTML file. If you haven't used that, we are going to do that. But for now, just for example, you can see we have a form here. So when you enter name and password, you're going to click submit to save this form or details somewhere in the database. That's where PHP comes. So whenever you want to store data, you want to get data from the database, you want to deal with the database, PHP is the answer. So you will be working with the .php files from now on. So so far you've been creating .html files. So we can create .php files. I will explain you everything from setting up the local environment to how we take things further and how these forms and validations, everything works. Feel free to ask questions in the comment section if you face any problem, because at any point at development we might face like things are not making sense, but it is something that you get understanding with the practice or asking the seniors. So I will try my best to help you out. I will try my best to solve your doubts about the language so that we can go ahead and learn PHP and make a good application in PHP. So from next video we start working on it, and first of all we're going to set up a local environment for this project. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.
No, is not enough.